Do you know if the current mobile NAND is damaged, unable to read its NAND data? Now we can query it ourselves with tools like this piece. In the past, we used IMEI code to buy the SN/BT Wi-Fi number online, and it needs money. So now, let's show you today how to query its SN serial number, Wi-Fi code, and Bluetooth code at zero cost. Let's take a look at the problem of this phone first. This phone was taken by a peer. According to him, it was dropped and then it won't turn on. We flash the phone to judge its fault. We first insert the data cable, then start the flash. Well, we can see this phone. After the flashing progress bar appears, it will directly pop up an error. So according to this error, and our previous experience, we can determine that it is a NAND problem. We first take out the old NAND and read it, see if we can read its underlying data. We take out the motherboard of the phone. Then, take out the NAND and read it, see if we can read its SN/BT Wi-Fi data. Then, when we take out the motherboard, we can see that the NAND of this motherboard has been moved, so we take out the NAND first. Well, we are going to remove the NAND. We use quick Keba hot air gun, and the temperature is 460 with this air gun. The wind speed is 80. We try to read the NAND now. See if we can read its underlying data. Well, first, we open open the JC software, and connect the P-SAN programmer. We can see that it detects the NAND, but the NAND partition is incomplete. Formatting may repair the NAND. Next, let's query the information of the NAND. We can see that the NAND information is unreadable. Let's see how we can recover its underlying data. First, we take out a new good NAND. Then, we install it. Install the new NAND. Okay, we install the phone and flash it. Then flash the phone. Well, we can see that the phone has been turned on. But if its underlying data is wrong, all are garbled codes, it can't be activated to enter the system. Let's find its data to repair. First, let's record its serial number 35489, then 3 Lu and 1 Ba in the end. Next, we take out the NAND again. We put the NAND into P13. Then, we read its factory code. Let's see the computer screen. Connect P13. We directly click to check the factory code. This process takes 5 to 20 minutes. But this method is applicable to all models, as long as your programmer supports it. Well, when we finish checking, we can see that the factory codes appear here. To set SN, BT, Wi-Fi number. How do we know which one we need? The original factory code of this phone. Just now when we turned on the phone, we can see that its serial number is 3548 and 3 sixes in the back. Then we find the corresponding code. Write it in the new NAND correctly, because we can see the second one. Its serial number is 9448. So this is wrong, we can ignore it. Next we directly copy the SN serial number and Wi-Fi code and Bluetooth code right in. We have copied the code. Write them directly. Be careful not to copy to the space. Remember not to copy to spaces. The serial number at the top also needs to be copied, and this serial number also copy it in. Okay. Next, we write SEN, Wi-Fi and BT codes. Just click write the blue button. Put the new NAND back into the motherboard. Okay, the NAND has been installed. Then reinstall the phone and flash. First, we put the phone into Ituan's mode. Okay, we have already booted up the phone. Next, let's try to activate it. Alright, we can see that the phone has successfully entered the system. So, above is the method we use to query the underlying data of the NAND SN/BT Wi-Fi. This method is suitable for all models. See you next time.